Hello traders, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com. Taking a look here at the SPX. Wow, Mr. Ben Bernanke coming out and giving us a 3/4 rate cut. There's an 84% chance that we were going to get a full point cut today. He decided against that. He's known for disappointing us from time to time. Anyway, nonetheless, the market's very bullish today, up quite a bit, and really happy with that. I mean, we're over 300 points on the day, over on the NASDAQ over 70 points, 75 points. And the reason I can't give you exact numbers is the markets haven't closed yet. S&P over 40 points. I mean, just huge day any way you look at it. This is a monthly chart that we're taking a look at here. And I'm going to drop a trend line on the monthly chart. And you might remember a couple videos ago we did this. We had a major breakdown right here. But check this out. In a down trend, your long legs are your down legs. And we are down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So usually you get 5 to 6 in your down leg in a downtrend and 3 to 4 on the bounce. So I'm expecting a 3 to 4 bounce. Now technically speaking, will we get that? Maybe. I think it's going to be less, as you might remember me saying before. I think we might go up 1, maybe 2. I could see us getting to 1350. That's right here around this area where this line is. If we get to 1350, I think we'd be, or 1450. I think that we'd be very lucky. 1450 would be kind of a monthly goal here for us to get up, because we do have a hammer. And that hammer means it's hammering at the bottom. We have a 50-month moving average right here. This should be the low. But it won't be the low unless we go higher. We need a higher high. And to get a higher high would put us at 1350. We need to get over 1350 on the S&P to really give us a higher high. And I'd like to see that in April. If April we get over 1350, breaking a higher high in our our March candlestick, we should be really good. Now, let's take a look at our weekly. This is our weekly on the SPX. And let's draw a couple lines here. I'm going to draw a trend line coming down right here. And then let's do another trend line coming down, something like that. We have a falling wedge. Those are bullish. Look what our MACD's doing. MACD's stepping up right here. Very nice. That's a bullish divergence, showing that we should go bullish. We need to pop up over this line to show some strength. Now remember, 1350 is the key area on the monthly, which happens to be the swing high area. So I would like to see us get over that swing high. About 1356 area would be ideal. If we on the weekly get 1356, on the monthly 1356, definitely the 1350 area, we're starting to go bullish. So let's now take a look at the daily. Here's the daily S&P. Gonna do a couple lines here, this swing high to this swing high, and then we would do this swing low to this swing low. You could actually have this swing low to this swing low. Falling wedge, but look at this, a double bottom formation. See this double bottom? The only way this is confirmed a double bottom is if we go higher than this swing high right here. We have to go higher. We're pushing that right now. So what we need to do is head up, I would say 1325, 1326 area. If we could get there by tomorrow, and we're dealing at 1329 with our 20-day moving average on the S&P, that would be great. Our 1350 mark, which is kind of a key area for us, is going to be about right here's 1356 right there. We need to get above this area. So the daily looks very bullish to us. We are popping over this area, our trend line. Our weekly is set up to break through. It needs to pop out, get past 1356, and our monthly needs to get over 1350 also. So we look very bullish now, guys. And how long will it last? It's anybody's guess, but I have to keep reverting back to the monthly here. The monthly, get rid of some of these lines. This is where it's all at. How far will it go up? 20-month moving average, and again, if I draw my trend line here, I think a good bet is we could get right here to this area. So it'd be really interesting to see if we can get up to 1350 or maybe 1430. 1450, 1430 area would be the absolute high. If we go up a little shorter and then drop, the next leg is the big leg I'm after. We should have a leg maybe the same size as this one after we get our dead cat bounce right here and then the drop. So 2008 should be very bearish. Let's see what happens. Take care, happy trading, and always use a stop loss with your trade.